G'day friends, it's me, it's Luke. Hi, how you doing? Coming to you from God knows where in the middle of Orlando, Florida. But what I do know is that it's time for another chicken review.
Chicken review.
It's time to check out Jollibee. Now, I've heard a lot about Jollibee, and there's quite a few in California, but I never really ended up going to any in California. And this here is the only one in Orlando, and this one here is about an hour away from where I live. That's really no longer an issue, and I'll tell you why in a future video, but for now, here is the chicken. So many choices. I don't know what I want. I know obviously I want chicken, but so many. Maybe I'll go with the 2-piece Chickenjoy meal. That looks like the way to go. Or maybe even the 6-piece Chickenjoy meal. Maybe there were a 3-piece option. There is a 3-piece option. Chickenjoy combos. Look at that. Right there. How did I not see that? And with the joy of chicken comes the joy of Pepsi products. This is definitely already winning brownie points for me. It's very hard pouring a drink while holding everything at the same time. Alright, plonk that there, and we'll wait. Giving me a buzzer here to wait for my order. So let's see how long it takes. It seems they actually did their research when opening Jollibee, because as far as I understand, it originates from the Philippines, and there seems to be a large contingent of Southeast Asians coming in and out. I was hoping to eat inside, but it's a very tiny restaurant and it's already very full, so
Out by the car it is.
what I ended up getting, obviously, a regular size Pepsi, spicy, and 2 originals. And of course, the biscuit, which is, I guess, the thing that they do in America. Not sure if they do it in the Philippines, let me know, or Singapore, let me know. And the Jollibee chips, or fries, whatever they call them here as well. Not too bad. Not too bad. They're kind of like beer battered. Beer battered fries. It's good. Not much salt on them, which is good too. But they're very, very oily. Oily yet crispy, which is what I like. So that's good. All right, now let's try the thing that we actually came here to try in the first place. The chicken itself. Here we go.
Here we go.
Oh.
A few moments later.
The skin, it has a crunch, but it also has a softness to it, which is like, wow. And the chicken is, it's juicy, it's tasty, it's, gosh darn it. I hate to say this, but so far, this is the best fried chicken that I've had from a big chain ever. I'm sorry, Red Rooster, I'm sorry. Your chicken is crunchy and delicious, but this is just, everything about it is just, the flavor of the skin, it's not just on the skin, it's in the chicken too. Unlike KFC, you eat the skin, that's where all the flavor is, and you eat the chicken, it tastes like chicken. This one, you bite into the skin, it's got flavor. Bite into the chicken itself, somehow, obviously other than chicken, but somehow the chicken itself has more flavor. All right, it's time for the spicy. No, I didn't think that was in focus. It's time to try the spicy. Here we go. Okay. It's a little tingly. I wouldn't exactly call it spicy. In regards to spicy, KFC hot and spicy have still got it, or Nashville hot and spicy as they have here in America as well. Spicy, just not as good. This is why I got another piece of original, just in case I didn't appreciate the spicy. So that was a drumstick. Here's a thigh piece. This was a spicy thigh. The thighs might just not have the same flavor as the smaller pieces. So let's. Yep, it's just full of flavor. Why does this place have to be an hour from me? An hour. Ugh. Gosh. Actually, it's probably a good thing. It is a good thing. So, in short, spicy. I mean, does it taste good? Yes. Yes, it does. Is it spicy? It's a mild spice. It's not like, whoa, that's spicy. But it just doesn't have flavor. It tastes like chicken, thank goodness, but it just doesn't have the flavor explosion that the original Chickenjoy has. Right, straight away, in your mouth, it is good. Wow. So, original Chickenjoy. I'm hesitant to give it a 10 out of 10, just in case I have something else that is just totally amazing. So I'll give it a 9.9. It's an honorary 10 out of 10, like an honorary doctorate, but you're not a real doctor. I'm just hesitant to give out 10s. As for the spicy,
Spicy?
it's a little disappointing. That's definitely a 5. It still tasted like chicken. It wasn't an overbearing spice, like I might as well be on hot ones. The flavor just didn't hit the same notes as the original Chickenjoy. That's my review of Jollibee Chickenjoy, spicy and original. If you like this, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell and give it a good thumbs up. Lets me know you're watching and you're enjoying this content. Of course, while I'm here, I'll review an American KFC. I'll head to a Popeyes. And if anyone wants to leave any suggestions in the comments below of where I should try some fried chicken, please do, and I'll check it out. So that concludes this fried chicken review at Jollibee. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now. Hardly any bins. What the heck?